Hey, Paw Care family! Get ready to find your dog's sweet spot. Have you ever noticed your dog leaning or tilting its body when you scratch a certain spot? That's because you found their sweet spot, a place where the nerves are extra sensitive. When you scratch there, it creates a pleasant sensation, and your dog naturally leans into it to enjoy more. Sometimes, you'll even see their legs start kicking automatically. That's a reflex and completely normal. This reaction shows your dog is relaxed, comfortable, and enjoying your touch. It's also a great way to build trust and strengthen your bond. But remember, always watch your dog's body language to make sure they're enjoying it. So next time your dog leans into your hand, you know you've hit the perfect spot. Comment below, does your dog have a funny sweet spot reaction?